On the 16th June 2026, Thokoza Local Football Association hosted a champion decider match day at Semtuli Stadium. We spoke to the chairperson of the Thokoza Local Football Association, Sfiso Khonto, to get more information about this. Here's the interview. Stay tuned.
International anthem of South Africa. International anthem. PK. I don't have a song. And then I get to the otherwise we could have a secret. As well.
Chairman we-LFA Brasfiso Khonco siyakwamukela ke ku-Culturals Media ke namhlanje ukuthi i-last day ni-decide league la eThokoza. Ngicela nje izintroduce ubulisa abantu usitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani la namhlanje.
Thanks my brother. Usfiso Khonco, chairperson at Thokoza Local Football Association. Today is Silana Semtuli Stadium. It's the last day we're closing off the curtain, Super League. So which simply means we've got the winner Eastern A playing versus the winner Eastern B. whoever wins becomes the overall champions, and then we'll be representing Thokoza LFA kuma upcoming regional playoffs.
Okay, ama-regional playoffs lawo azoba nini?
So when it comes to regional playoffs, they are playing end of July. It's 15 LFAs around Ekurhuleni. They get a chance to play with Hollywood League, which is previously known as Ikasel for Tinaban Bagdala, but yeah, now it's called the Hollywood Regional League.
Izinto ziyashintsha sibonge iponza izinto ngicela ungitshele ke iligi yenu la eThokoza ina how many teams and ama participant ke abantu ama team a participate kwi LFA ya iThokoza LFA League uphakwe league abuya phi specifically la around or khona amanye abuya mhlambe kuma Foslo or outside of iThokoza?
Okay, we've got 24 teams to Super League, so I would say we're playing Sinamaliga 7 in total. So we've got juniors, under 11, 13, 15, 17. We've got promotional league, we've got women's football, and then the Super League. It's got 24 teams. In terms of our teams, they come in down is different. We've got clubs from Jimistin who are playing here. We've got clubs from Midval, Meyatin. They're also playing Illigiate. So we've got 12 teams, 24 teams, 12 each team.
Yeah. Okay. So now njengoba uthi ama club ivele the last day mhlawumbe prize mhlawumbe iwinner la what are the prizes?
Oh, okay. So what happened is the overall winner they get a prize money of 20,000 rands. The losing finalists they're getting 10,000. We saw Guneke medali the third prize and the fourth prize. They get 5,000 each. Then there is a trophy for the winner and medals. There is a goalkeeper of the season. There is a top goal scorer, and then our top 8 teams, 4 from each teams, they are getting kits. So you would have seen they all playing with those kits.
Sibonga kakhulu khona abakorile bafethu ningamangali nizumsindo ku background igame on game sibonge chairman ke ngicela chairman nje usiyele kabanzi ke because I know ukuthi kuza ama training or ama courses wesafa lana eThokoza nizobe niwa hostile nami ngeke ngathola iquestion bangibuza ngayo ukuthi ku Facebook ukuthi is it true na ngicela ke uJustin nje wazise abantu.
Okay, I can safely confirm we had the referees course. We trained our referees. We had 28 classes in. We just completed that last month. We are definitely having a D license. This is our second season, yet D license. We did one, which was our first one last year. I was part of that class myself. And now we are doing the second session here, yet D license. It's a new group. We also had EC license that was hosted by Safai Kuruming, but we were fortunate by hosting like Thokoza. So the class is true, as if fake.
Yeah.
So yeah, we see it as true, as real, and we are affiliated with South African Football Association.
And abantu abafuna mhlawumbe ukuparticipate already mhlawumbe seyicomplete registration or mawufuna nje ifisa open wenza kanjani, how do you register mhlawumbe ukuthi nawe ubenefit uzokuba ucoach la?
Okay, we've got a space for a few coaches. If I'm not mistaken, it's 3 at the moment. Our posters are out, so we've got a technical member who's responsible for those registration with the license. So it's a team of 10 people. We do different things. So the classes and coaching, they fall under the technical department. So our technical director is responsible for those things. My number we poster. If someone will give it to you, or poster as well, and then maybe they can register.
Okay. So yona uthekwa nje open ikala nini?
The license will be starting on the 27th of June till the 4th of July. So it's 8 days straight. So we see hostel license to the and then I'm a practical so
so mhlawumbe how many mhlawumbe aim yakho ukuthi mhlawumbe i target yakho mhlawumbe ukuthi ukureacha attractor ama-numbers abantu abayingakhi mhlawumbe ongaba engathi mhlawumbe ningajabula noma ngingaphitha apha for those coaching positions.
So to answer that question, unfortunately we are given our numbers by SAFA National. The class must be between 30 and 35.
Okay.
So when I say we've got at least around space 3, that means we are around 32. These things develop fast and they are very important. As I said earlier, this is the building phase, often by coach. You do your T license, C, B, A, and then AET allows you to coach in this level and Hollywoods, and then your C license will allow you to coach in APC Multiple League, B, what we call the first national division, which was in Vela back then, and then A, you coach your PSL clubs. So you need to start with D.
So abantu abangarejistanga bayaluza, so how first come first serve, like the way understand ngakhona.
Yes, unfortunately it's a first come first serve base, but this is not the end of the world. I know we are friends in the Fosloras LFA. They are having one in September, so if you miss this one, there's one that's happening in the Fosloras around September. You can go there.
Alright, sibonge kakhulu chairman. Nje so isivala chairman ngicela nje abantu mhlawumbe nabo abantu ama njengoba namhlanje siyivalile, just give message to abo coach wonke ama player, even ama members omphakathi athanda ibhola la eThokoza and outside iKatoras yonke nje.
Okay, so I'm happy with the Chelsea Valley League. We're not closing LFA. I said we've got 7 leagues that are playing here. So it's only Super League that's closing. Next week we'll be here. We're playing a promotional league. We are playing women's football here. But based on what you've asked me, I would say football unites people. Football brings people together. So make sure ukuthi nabazali sibasupporteni abantwana bethu, sibasupporteni abobhuti bethu. I-football izosunite and isikhiphe intweni ezirong. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Uyabona bhuti wamasikisi kancane besithi ngithi ngiyayivala mase ungibuyisela sengicabanga abafana njengoba sazi ukuthi izodlala on Thursday and ama results weyangekho awubakhuthaze ngicela ubakhuthaze.
So for my side, the football coach came with a plan, probably didn't work, but then it's not the end of the world. We're coming back on Thursday by representing South Africa, so we expect them to come back by a computer. If you look at other African countries that are playing there or have played, they've given a good fight, they've given us results. So now it's up to Bafana Bafana. They need to go back and fight. Not all it's lost, we can still make it, but they need to go back in the field and fight for the country.
Asibonga kakhulu ke chairman, danko chairman.